Your world of quality entertainment.
Any final words to Ghanaians?
I think we have to listen to the president and work with him, because if we don't work with our leadership in adhering to the protocols, we are going to be in a difficult situation. I think that the government is doing its bit, and we, the citizenry, also have to work with the leadership and make it a bit easier. So we need to look at the protocols, because there are examples and case studies for us to look at. There's the China example, there's the South Korean example, there is the Singapore example. These are good examples for us to look at, how they have been able to contain their situation. And there are also the bad examples for us to look at, what has happened in some parts of the world. And if we want to go that route, it's up to us. If we want to follow the good examples, it's up to us. I asked my colleague in Germany that, how come of all the European countries, Germany has recorded the lowest death rate? And her answer to me was basically the Germans are disciplined, and when you tell them to follow instructions, they follow the instructions. So our leadership has given us the instructions. Please, 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 let's follow it. Stay home is stay home. Stay home doesn't mean going to your next door neighbor. I've heard all kinds of excuses about we don't have this, we don't have that. But all over the world, there are poor people who don't have everything, but they are all adhering to the protocols. So it's the protocols that is important, because if we don't, your action will affect the action of the next person. It's a domino effect. So we also have to look out for each other. And if you realize that your neighbor or your friend is not adhering to the protocols, it's your responsibility to pull the person back. That's what I have to say. But people have to be positive, because this is also a passing stage of life and a passing stage of everything. And as Ambassador once said, we will defeat it. That is a human being. The human being has a resilience. We will defeat it, but we have to work together to defeat it. That's what I have to say. Thank you.
Your world of quality entertainment.